Hello everyone, I'm Alexey, engineer at Fluence, and today I show you how Fluence is solving the biggest problems with traditional cloud computing and how you can use it in your hackathon projects. Traditional clouds have serious issues. First, vendor lock-in. If you build on AWS and get banned, migration costs are enormous and can take months. Second, hidden costs. You think you are paying for compute, but get surprised with charges for data transfer and vendor-specific services. Third, lack of transparency. You don't know where your data actually lives or what certification your data center has. And finally, censorship risks. Centralized control means your application can be taken down based on political decisions. And that's why we built Fluence, a decentralized compute marketplace that gives you enterprise-grade infrastructure without these constraints. So what's Fluence? Fluence isn't just another cloud provider. It's a marketplace connecting you to independent Tier 3 and Tier 4 data centers worldwide. Instead of one company owning everything, each provider lists their resources transparently. You see exactly what hardware you're getting, where it's located, and what certifications they hold. Here are our key advantages. We are up to 75% cheaper than most clouds, with transparent billing every day and no hidden fees. A 32 vCPU instance costs around $4 per day. That's it. No vendor lock-in. You have full control over your infrastructure with the same API working across all providers, so you can redeploy anywhere without code changes. We serve only with enterprise-grade infrastructure. Our data centers are certified, and we have global locations with high-performance servers worldwide. We don't charge for egress, easy data migration in, out, and cross providers without penalty charges. Plus, we offer full-stack infrastructure as a service with virtual servers available now and containers and GPU coming soon. Now to hackathon bounties. We have two types of bounties for this hackathon. First are joint bounties. If you make it to the final with any project and you deploy your backend on Fluence, you can get additional rewards from us. Second are our Fluence-specific bounty, best use of Fluence Virtual Servers. If you do AI stuff, mind that we are currently CPU only. Think about creative ways to use small models like Edge AI preprocessing, lightweight models inference, or AI-powered APIs that don't need GPUs. And now let me show you how it's easy to deploy on Fluence. This is our console. It looks familiar if you used any other clouds. First, you choose location. You can see available locations with real-time capacity indicators. Each location shows data center with specific certifications that you can see in here. So for Poland, you have this one. For Belgium, you have this one. And for the USA, you have this one. So let's choose Belgium. Then we need to choose basic configuration. We have small instances like 2 vCPU and up to 128 vCPU instances. So let's choose the smallest one. After that, you can choose additional storage. For this instance, we have NVMe storage, and let's add, I don't know, 100 gigabytes of NVMe storage. So this is our server type for this exact location. We have AMD EPYC CPU, we have Zen 2 CPU generation, DDR4 RAM, NVMe storage. It's located in Belgium. It's Tier 4 data centers, and it holds this certification. And it will cost with additional storage 44 cents a day. And we have upfront payment for 2 days. And what's left? Also, we can choose our name for the instance. Let's name it Fluence Workshop. And we have ports. Let's open also 80 and 443. And we can choose VM configuration. We have Debian, Fedora, CentOS, Ubuntu. You can choose a version. Also, you can upload custom image. Let's go with Ubuntu. Also, you need to add your SSH case. So let's launch. It should be pretty quick. And okay, now it's launching. It's allocating resources for us. So let's wait a bit. And as you can see, we have all the general information available here. It's our hardware configuration. It's still locating our IP. We have VMID. We have all the certifications. We have open ports, which can be edited. And let's wait a bit. While it's launching, let's look at the settings tab. Here you can find tab API case, and you can add one UK for it. And so you can use not a UI console, but use API. So let's name it IP workshop. And let's expire in end of September and add. Oh, I forgot. You should make it right. So it should be read write to deploy API. And yeah, so we have our API key, and to use it, you should go to fluence.dev, go to API introduction, and it's pretty easy to deploy in Fluence. First, you can get all the available offers. Also, you can look up it here, but it's also available with JSON form in here. Also, you have Swagger, so you can look at API. And probably that's it. Let's look at our instance. So where it is, where it's IP, there is public IP, and you can SSH to it and use it. So have a good luck with Hackathon. And one last thing, the Hackathon. You should fill the form and log in to get free credits because you want to deploy. So scan QR code, fill the form, and you will get credits. You should wait for confirmation in the email. You should re-log in and explore the platform and ask any question you like. Also, we have support available via Discord. So feel free to connect us. Thank you very much and good luck.